Genesis, chapter 10 verse 21. Sons were also born to Shem, whose older brother was Japheth. Shem was the ancestor of all the sons of Eber. 1 Chronicles, chapter 5 verse 11. The Gadites lived next to them in Bashan, as far as Seleka. 1 Corinthians, chapter 14 verse 20. Brothers and sisters, stop thinking like children. In regard to evil be infants, but in your thinking be adults. 1 Chronicles, chapter 2 verse 10. Ram was the father of Amminadab, and Amminadab the father of Nahshon, the leader of the people of Judah. 2 Samuel, chapter 17 verse 27. When David came to Mahanaim, Shobi son of Nahash from Rabbah of the Ammonites, and Machir son of Ammiel from Lo-Debar, and Barzillai the Gileadite from Rogelim. Joshua, chapter 18 verse 21. The tribe of Benjamin, according to its clans, had the following towns: Jericho, Beth-Hogla, Emek-Keziz. Galatians, chapter 4 verse 3. So also, when we were underage, we were in slavery under the elemental spiritual forces of the world.